I just want to crack open the possibility. I just want to disrupt your norm. I want to make you uncomfortable in anything that led you to this place that doesn't support you and where you're going.
This weekend is about daring to soar. It's about doing something that's very different. Stepping into a space that you've never stepped into before.
If I can get up, you can get up.
Wealth is my birthright.
And he says the only people that quit, the only way you fail is if you quit.
I was on my way to Speak and Write Atlanta when I got the phone call that said that I have leukemia. The biggest thing I took away was to press pause on all the negative thinking, on all the scary thinking, and I pressed play on all the powerful thinking I could possibly think of.
You don't become the person you are on the mountaintop. You become the person you know you're supposed to be in your valley. And in your valley, you build your character. In building your character, you change your life.
We want you to jump up and down and get excited about who you know yourself to be.